In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DEX Screener to TradingView. This will help you analyze decentralized exchange trading pairs effectively within the TradingView platform. Let's dive in. First, you want to open TradingView. When you open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website, you will be greeted by a clean interface designed for traders. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you don't, consider creating an account to access all features. This is important because it allows you to save your settings and data. Once you are inside your TradingView account, you will be ready to explore its powerful features. Next, click on Products at the top of the page. This tab is your gateway to various tools and features offered by TradingView. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing different products that TradingView provides. This menu is essential as it contains all the functionalities you need to analyze markets effectively. Navigating through this menu allows you to access the DEX Screener, which is what we are focusing on today. From there, hover over Screeners. As you move your cursor over the Screeners option, a submenu will appear. This submenu is where you will find various screening tools that TradingView offers. The hover action is crucial because it gives you a preview of what is available without needing to click unnecessarily. It simplifies your navigation, saving you time and effort while you search for specific tools to analyze trading pairs. Next, select DEX Screener or DEX Pairs. Clicking on this option will take you directly to the DEX Screener interface. Here you will see a list of trading pairs available across various decentralized exchanges. It's important to select this because it provides you with the tools to analyze DEX trading pairs specifically. You will appreciate the ability to see real-time data and trends, which is vital for making informed trading decisions. Now, browse or search for the token or trading pair you want to analyze. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find a specific token. This step is important because it allows you to quickly access the information that matters most to you. Finding the right trading pair can make a significant difference in your trading strategy. Once you locate the desired token or pair, you can click on it to explore more details. After that, use filters to narrow results by blockchain, liquidity, volume, market cap, technical indicators, and more. Filters are a powerful feature that helps you customize your search results. By adjusting these parameters, you can focus on the most relevant tokens for your trading strategy. This step is crucial because it saves you time and ensures you are looking at the most pertinent data. You will notice that the results change dynamically as you adjust your filters, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Finally, save your custom screen if you want to reuse it later. After setting your filters and finding the ideal tokens, look for the Save option. Saving your screen is important because it allows you to quickly access your customized views in the future without repeating the filtering process. You will see a confirmation that your screen has been saved, which gives you peace of mind knowing your settings are secure. Note that if you want to use the DEXscreener.com website itself inside TradingView, this isn't supported. However, TradingView's built-in DEX Screener offers similar tools and charts. While it supports many built-in TradingView indicators, it does not support custom PineScript indicators. This is something to keep in mind as you navigate your trading journey. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to analyze decentralized exchange trading pairs effectively using TradingView's DEX Screener. Enjoy your trading!